Gonzalez. I am the person who is leading this campaign, Inspiring Women. I'm a lawyer, a trade lawyer, a mother of 3 sons, and the wife of a politician. It's not so much the effect that the girls has just on the girls, but the effect that the campaign has on the women who participate in it, because pretty much every time that we have an event, the women come out of it with a huge smile. They realize in talking to the girls how many things they have done in their lives, no? And they feel rightly proud about it.
I think the Inspiring Women campaign is absolutely fantastic. It's not something that I'd heard about before, but I've already signed up during the course of the presentation this evening, and I'm definitely going to be volunteering my time.
We should be showing that we can be role models. For example, I work in a flexible way and I should be talking about it more, and I think if we all do that, then collectively we can make a difference.
It was great to come here this evening and to hear people talk about Inspiring Women and the program that they're running.
I think that what is important is that girls feel free to choose whatever role they wish, and that they do that not because they feel pressurized by society or because they feel that they are any less than boys, and also that they aspire to be the very best at whatever they want to do.
I first got involved in the campaign last year when the Inspiring Women event came to our school, and then since then I've been asked to speak at the BT Tower about my experience, and then once again today.
If we can all help each other, that can only be positive.
What I definitely will do next is, first of all, I'll sign up for this campaign, and I'll spread the word in the company I work for. So I'll also engage with other female leaders.
Role models, mentorship programs, supporting women that do want to have a family, be more agile. There's so many solutions.
Well, I actually think it's incredibly important for both men and women to advance women in the workplace. I think this is something which has to be both of the sexes and not one or the other.
Speak to our friends in our communities within Deloitte, but also speak to clients that we work on a daily basis with, because there are lots of females out there and they don't get the opportunity every day like we do at Deloitte to speak up.
One of the main things that I'm going to take out of this evening is that it's important to be inspired, but also to try and be inspiring.
Whether we're a senior partner at Deloitte or a junior associate, we can each make a difference, and we should all be doing our part.
We all have a duty to speak up and encourage the next generation of female leaders within the firm. Trying
to capture that last 10 or 15% of change that we need to see, particularly in the workplace, I think that was the thing that I'll take away.
I will try and help other people to strive to work hard and have the opportunities that I've had.
But I think it starts very young, and I want to be part of that journey.
The campaign has really helped me a lot. It's given me so much more confidence, it's improved my self-esteem, it's just motivated me and really encouraged me to be able to believe in myself a lot more.
It was much more than just a networking event. It was definitely inspiring and amazing.